On the left hand side, I am creating two overlapping pockets, one smaller than the other, so that one fits into another. On the right hand side, I am making a folder-like pocket. This is the introduction page of the last chapter of the series, How to Convert a Notebook to a DIY Recipe Scrapbook. Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel to a fresh new video. This is part 3 of the series. Today I am showing you how I am creating the last chapter, which is the desert section and the conclusion part. As I have said before, the purpose of the introduction page is to store notes and magazine cutouts. I am using quilling paper to make the borders of the pockets. The two tags are of usual shapes. The other two tags are ice cream templates. Now, the next 6 pages are recipe cards. The layouts are exactly the same as the previous 2 chapters. What is new are the different types of pockets with fresh new colors and designs. So, be curious and continue to watch my video. The links of part 1 and part 2 of the series is given in the description box. So please watch. I promise you that these 2 pages will not look dull after a while. Please continue watching. I do believe that there is no place in this world like a home, and the kitchen is the breathing space of the home. The most important ingredient that the recipes require are a pinch of patience, a dash of kindness, a spoonful of laughter, and a heap of love. Friends, life is exactly how we bake it. All members of the family can be tied together in the same string from the kitchen. A family that eats together stays together. Unity or discrimination, the choice is ours. A recipe book is the pride of the family. I am making my book according to my needs. The food habits differ with geographical locations, traditions and culture. But now, the global connections and intermingling of cultures are so strong that we always have variety of food on our plates. The chapters and subtopics may definitely vary. I'm just trying to give a glimpse into my simple, cute and creative recipe book. fourth pocket is definitely different. I'm folding 2 pages diagonally to create a pocket. I'm so glad I have this cow-shaped button. By the way, the pockets on recipe cards are for storing photos of the recipes. The last 2 pages are conclusion pages of this recipe book. On both the pages, I am attaching 2 envelopes which open on the side. I am folding A4 size paper into 3 folds. I am giving a shape on the top fold. To fix the envelopes, I am using designed paper on both the sides and flowers for decoration. Like any good planner, my recipe book also has ample storage provisions in the end. Provisions for storing beautiful moments, laughter and happiness. Provisions for storing memories, love, care and sharing. This is an Itsy Bitsy haul. This is neither a promotion video nor a huge purchase, just small things and beautiful moments. This is an ink pad with various shades of blue. Here comes tiny glitter paper flowers. These embellishments are so pretty. All the products are pocket friendly. I'm sharing with you these few moments of my happiness and my joy. The watercolor ink bottles, the large size palette, embellishments, chipboard, handmade flowers, all these are stealing my heart. These papers are so beautiful, so colorful. I'm just waiting to create more and more beautiful things. They are 12 inches by 12 inches and trust me, they are very, very affordable. So long till we meet again. Next video will be on embellishments and a flip through of my art journal. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, stay positive and stay healthy. Thank you for watching and making me a part of your day. Goodbye. Love you all.